Hi, hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Glad to see you again on my channel, Yusuf UNS Solo. Okay, well, on this video, I'm going to talk about intonation in questions in English language. Selamat datang kembali di channel saya, Yusuf UNS Solo. Dalam video ini, saya akan membicarakan tentang intonasi kalimat tanya dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay, what is it like? Is there any difference in intonation in making questions in English language? Let's find out. Namun seperti biasa, bagi Anda yang belum subscribe channel saya, please do subscribe my channel first. And if you think that this channel is fruitful for you, please share with your friends, colleagues, and family as many as possible you can. Thank you. Let's get started now. Jadi di dalam intonasi, dalam kalimat tanya dalam bahasa Inggris itu bervariasi. So far, maybe we don't realize that in making questions in English language, our intonation is just like, well, probably you don't pay much attention to it. Mungkin selama ini Anda tidak memperhatikan bagaimana intonasi Anda ketika Anda membuat kalimat tanya dalam bahasa Inggris. So to make it simpler, I will divide this into two. Supaya lebih sederhana, saya akan membagi intonasi kalimat tanya ini menjadi dua. Yang pertama adalah intonasi kalimat tanya yang diawali dengan question words. Yeah, so question words which usually begins a question in English language. Yeah, it's varies like who, what, how, where, and why. Ya, biasanya ini memiliki kecenderungan native speakers of English in using these question words at the beginning of the questions will tend to make the intonation at the end fall. Ya, jadi apabila Anda menggunakan kalimat tanya dengan menggunakan question words, maka intonasi di akhir kalimat tanya yang Anda ucapkan itu akan cenderung turun. Ya, jadi misalnya pada something that has been very familiar for all of us, namely siapa namamu? Ya, dalam bahasa Inggris kita mengatakan what's your name? Okay, what's your name? This is falling. The intonation is falling, not what's your name? Not like that, but what's your name? And then maybe in the other example, like where do you live? Where do you live? Not where do you live? No, not like that. And then what time did you arrive last night? What time did you arrive last night? Falling, okay? How did you do that? How did you do that? Okay, how did you do that? Not how did you do that? Not like that. This is not the normal way how native speakers of English speak or use in the intonation. And then, why did you go there? Why did you go there? False. Okay. So, please just to remember. Ya, jadi ingat baik-baik. Apabila Anda membuat kalimat tanya yang diawali dengan question words, maka berarti bersiap-siap intonasi akhir dari kalimat tanya Anda adalah turun, falling. Okay? This is simple, easy to remember. Kemudian yang kedua, apabila kalimat tanya yang Anda ucapkan itu diawali dengan auxiliary, ya, you know, auxiliary atau yang disebut dengan kata kerja bantu, ya. So this covers like do, ya, does, did, termasuk juga di dalamnya ada modality, misalnya will, can, may, must, dan sebagainya. Maka intonasi di akhir kalimat tanya tersebut adalah naik, rising, ya. For example, um, is it difficult? Is it difficult? Yeah. Naik. Is it difficult? Not. Is it difficult? Not like that. Yeah. So what do you think? I think it's easy to remember. Kemudian misalnya lagi, do you know that? Do you know that? Not, do you know that? So, can you repeat that? Do you know that? Alright, good. Kemudian misalnya pada kalimat yang menggunakan modality. Will you go to the party? Will you go to the party? Rising. Not, will you go to the party? No, not. That is not the natural way how native speakers use intonation. Kemudian apa? Contohnya lagi misalnya pada penggunaan modality yang lain. Can you repeat? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Okay. And then another example maybe we can find in the other auxiliary, like in the present perfect, for instance. Have you done the homework? Have you done the homework? It's rising. Not, have you done the homework? Not like that. Okay. So, well, it's somehow very practical, I think. Okay. By knowing the two characteristics of intonation used in questions in English language, I believe you will be able to improve and to communicate better than before. Improve your pronunciation, improve your communicativeness in a way in how to use English as a means of communication. Diharapkan dengan mengetahui perbedaan antara intonasi naik dan turun pada dua macam kalimat yang berbeda ini, Anda akan lebih dapat berkomunikasi dengan baik, bisa menyampaikan makna dengan baik dibandingkan sebelum Anda mengetahui perbedaannya. Kenapa? Karena intonasi ini sangat berpengaruh terhadap makna yang kita sampaikan. Different intonation will also deliver different meaning. Okay, what do you think? Silahkan tulis komentar Anda di kolom comments di bawah ini. So if you think that this video is beneficial, then please tell your friends and your relatives to watch this. Alright, so I think that's all for my explanation for today's video about intonation in questions in English language. I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.